In this video we're going to look at the listings feature available in REI Master. Using the listings feature you can use search options to match your contacts to any listings in the system. You can also utilize the upload to web feature from the detail you've inserted into your listing. And please note that the listings and upload to web features are only available in the Premier edition of REI Master. To access your listings, we go to the listings button at the top of the screen here. See, I've got a couple of listings already inserted into the system here, and we'll just have a look at one of them and just give you an explanation of the tabs involved. The first tab, of course, is the property or listing details, and you can see in here we have inserted some information in regards to the listing, street number, street name, etc. What you'll also find with this property and listing details tab and the related tabs that appear underneath it, that these are also form part of the upload to web feature. Anything that has an underline underneath the little header bar is required information in order for you to upload to web pages, i.e. realestate.com, domain.com, etc. So you can insert as much information as possible. Obviously where an underline is showing, that is required information as mentioned. So we can see there's also listing information here about the listing type, the property type, the upload to web status. You'd also then insert in here or add the sites that you're going to upload to. Images and floor plans can be inserted, inspection times and auction details, and other info as necessary. What we also have in these tabs here is the opportunity to link contacts. So we can see in here we can link other contacts to this listing under a variety of different categories there. So we've also got our owner, the person who owns this property, listed in as the owner in here. We could link tenants if necessary, solicitor information, other linked contacts, etc. down alongside here. Other information would be outgoings on the property there, any property inclusions, and any sales link or history information about the listing or the property itself. We will also have a brochure and flyer feature available soon, and of course tasks and notes, same as the other records that appear in REI Master. Save any changes we made, of course, and we'll close back out of there, and we have our listings showing here. We do have the opportunity to filter this list here as well. Under the options tab here we can search for match listings, and by clicking on that one there we can nominate to have a look at all residential home sales and the property type, whatever that may be. I'll just list my townhouse, which I know is that first record there. We can fill in other information, of course, to filter only those properties or listings that meet the criteria that we insert. If I click on the find option, even just with the limited information I've inserted, you'll see that it will refresh the list there and only show me those listings that meet the criteria that I've mentioned there. One of the great features of listings is that it relates to contacts very easily as well. If we go into our contacts list here, I'm going to go into this first contact here. This one that I set up earlier, under our search criteria, we'll have a look here and see that this is a prospective buyer who's looking for townhouses and units, and in here we inserted all their requirements as based on a townhouse or unit that they're looking for. If I just click on the edit requirement, we can see here the type of unit or townhouse that this person is looking for. What we can do now based on their requirements is we can actually match listings that we have available in our listings area. And by going to the match listings option here, we would select then the townhouse or unit option showing in there, and we have then obviously our requirements as based in the previous tab there. And what I can then do is click on find, and it will then list for me all of my listings that meet the criteria that this person is looking for to purchase a property. From there, of course, I can double click on this listing here and get further information about it if I wish to do so. What I'm likely to do, of course, with this one here now is to contact this particular contact, of course, either via email, phone call, whatever contact information we have, to let them know that we have a listing available that meets their criteria for the property that they're looking for. So in this video we've looked at a listing, we've also then looked at how to filter that list and also how to match contacts to listings that we have available through our business.